That guy laughed. What is up? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Starting this video off pretty early. Well, not too early, but kind of early. We're on the way to meet up with the homie David and finally get the sensors that I need for this car. If you guys might remember, when we put this car on the 85 base map, my tuner told me that I needed an upstream O2 sensor, and I've been pretty much lagging it to get one. Long story short, the homie David said I have a few extra ones, you can grab one, and that's exactly what we're about to do today.
2,000 years later.
What up with the homie David? Damn, bro, that 370Z looks good, I'm not gonna lie. I've been hanging out with a lot of 370Zs lately. His, the homie Pandas. It makes me wanna, seriously, like this time for real, sell this, but then I drive it and I hear it and I'm like, I don't know if I wanna sell it. But these cars have grown on me so much. I've always liked them, but now I feel like I like them even more. Just the rear, bro, is so fire. And honestly, I'm not a fan of clear taillights like this. I think these are like the JDM style taillights, but on a white car, they look so fire, bro. Like this dude's rear setup, the carbon little lip on the spoiler, the taillights. He has a carbon diffuser as well. It's so perfect. So those of you guys that follow me on Instagram might have seen my post by the time you guys are seeing this, like 2 days ago. So I let my girl drive my car home yesterday, just so I could see the car rolling and so I could hear the ISR from like the outside while driving. Point is, I had her downshift and I was recording, and this happened when she downshifted at first. Super unexpected, guys. Like, my car is not fully tuned, it's still on the base map. It shouldn't be doing that, but it was super sick, bro. Like, I wish you guys could have seen my reaction. I was literally in shock, bro. It was so sick. Well, now when I get this car tuned, I'm gonna ask my tuner if he could replicate that flame map. That's so sick. Like, it's not even a pop, it just flames, like sick. So I told this dude to bring me to like some good like spot to eat breakfast. He brought me to Dollar Tree.
Fucking Dollar Tree,
get some chips or what? So I guess this place is famous, Jenny's Country Chicken. Let's see how good it is. All right, guys, we just got done eating, and now for the real reason that I came. Thank you very much. So this is the reason why we haven't tuned my Q50 yet. This simple O2 sensor that I've been liking to get, that he actually had extra laying around. So thank you for that. We're gonna slap this thing on.
That shit ain't free.
Yeah, it is. I'm sponsored by you. Anyways, we're gonna slap this on, and then once my tuner has time, we'll tune this thing, be able to do pulls, shoot flames, all that good stuff. But that's gonna be a different video. For right now, I actually asked him to let me drive this thing, and he came up with the idea of pretty much trading cars for the rest of the day type thing.
Wait, what? What the f? I didn't sign up for that.
Cool.
I did not sign up for that.
Hey, bro, off camera, like, we gotta do this.
You gotta do it?
I already said it. I can't edit it out.
You gonna?
So as I said earlier in the video when I was behind him, I don't necessarily want to sell this thing, but I do really want a 370Z just because.
You're behind me?
Just because cars like these, when they're both on and tuned, remind me of my Z when it was NA. Those were like honestly one of the best times of my life. So that's the main reason why I would consider getting one again. But I feel like it's gonna hurt to sell this. It's probably not gonna happen, but it's honestly a possibility in the near future. So I thought, why not drive this thing and see if it fully convinces me or not. You ready to drive a 700 horsepower
Piece of shit.
supercharged Q50?
That shit don't even fucking drive. They don't even run right. It's just driving on like 4 cylinders, bro.
Okay, bro, that's
You gave me
that's an Hey, yo! I was gonna scream something stupid, you know that? I don't know, like, help. Hear that VTEC?
Yeah, I feel like I'm getting in a boat right now. Holy shit.
It is a boat. I feel like I'm getting in a salvage title Z right now. It's push to start. I don't know if you're used to that.
Oh, it's a menu. I don't know if you're used to that.
I don't know, am I?
Hold on. Poser ass tattoo, bro.
Why?
Poser, you don't even drive a manual.
That's crazy.
All my cars have been manual.
I should have put Prindle right here, huh?
Hey, you know how to drive?
No. Wait, before we start, I completely forgot. What's done to the car? Just because there's a lot of viewers that probably have no idea who you are. You're a scammer, but that's not the point.
What's done to the 370?
Yes.
Just a little simple setup, just test pipes, intakes, E85, some suspension.
Oh, and you did swap the exhaust on before you had a Tommy, but now you have a what is it, HKS?
Yeah, I went from the Tommy, full Tommy, to authentic HKS exhaust.
So yeah, he no longer has a Tommy, he has an HKS dual exhaust. I've actually never really heard one in person besides right now. Rev it! But yeah, he has a HKS dual exhaust. It's quiet, but it sounds pretty good.
I've never heard it from the outside.
High RPM, it sounds good, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, we're gonna see how fast this shit is. We're about to go.
Hey, I have no tires. Be careful, bro, please.
I'm gonna do some donuts.
You already you wasted my tires.
That was like 6 months
You have it
ago.
on video too.
I actually drove this car like 6 months ago, like
Hey, hold
6,
on,
7
hold
months
on.
ago.
Flashback.
I'm gonna try a little first gear pull, see how the tires are feeling.
End of flashback.
Just farted in your seat.
I'm about to fart in yours, I'm not gonna lie, after those kind of setup race.
Bro, hold on. If you fart in my car and you can smell it, that's not a good sign. That's just bouncing off my previous fart. Your
Hey,
my shit's submerged in your seat.
it's a leather. You can't afford leather.
Huh?
What?
They're leather seats.
Oh shit, they are!
And they're fucking powered, you goofball.
Oh, that's how you move it!
Yeah.
Damn, maybe I'm the broke one.
Yeah.
I was trying to move it in the back.
You're broke and
Watch out on my exhaust. The brake is on. On the foot. On the foot.
Fuck, sorry, I don't drive these gay ass cars.
Alright, it's worth one of yours. Man, my car looked pretty good. Damn, I'm not gonna lie, my car does look pretty good. When we were talking while we were eating, I feel like it would be super sick if I was able to like keep that car, supercharge it, and then buy one of these. That'll be goals. Damn, I haven't driven a manual in a while. I haven't driven my Z. I feel like my car was slided right here. Damn, my car does look pretty good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Damn, bro, it really does look good. I'm falling in love with it all over again. So it would be super sick to be able to supercharge this thing or that thing and buy a daily for my daily, which will be this. That would be like a dream. Maybe we could just make that happen. Who wants to sponsor me with the supercharger kit? Damn, bro. I didn't think my car looked that clean rolling. Stick. Whoa! I think this car also has a rev match, right? Let's see how the rev match sounds. That's a pretty dope feature, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, if this was my car, I more than likely have it off all the time. Look for the rev match myself. Yeah, guys, driving this car really reminds me of my car before it was boosted, which, like I said, was one of the best times of my life, which is the main reason why I would love to own one of these. The Q is so dope and it looks so good, but like I feel like these cars just hit different. But for a daily, that is 100 times better. I'm not gonna lie. So I don't know, I guess they both have their pros and cons. This car feels like it has like a little lag. It's funny. Like after like 6,000 RPMs, it really wants to take off. Sounds buzzing right now. I think pulls. It's probably gonna tell me that when we get off. Why'd you do a pull? I told you gotta do a pull. Is that somebody else revving? I'm about to be a racer. That guy laughed. He laughed. He's still laughing. Damn. He said this shit is whack, David. He's literally laughing, bro. This is Saturn. Oh, it was this RS6 right here that revved it. That was literally me in high school right there. I'm gonna go straight into a pool. Sorry, David, I had to. Come on, that wouldn't be a good video without doing a pull. He's gonna yell at me, watch. I had to, David, sorry. Look, I'll tell you what, I'll give you 10 bucks for your next set of tires. Bro, I love this car. Yeah, Q's for sale. Sorry, David. If you're watching this, just know I'm really not sorry. I really don't care. Well, swing it or don't bring it. I'm swinging real quick.
So good. Rolling.
Right, that's what I was thinking about my car.
Hey, you I told you not to do any pulls and you did like 3.
No, I didn't.
I'm charging you for each one of those pulls. Nah, you. I told you not to do it.
Bro, come on.
Nah.
I'm not gonna make somebody watch my. I'm not gonna make
charging
somebody
your
watch
ass.
my YouTube video of me driving this shit like a grandma. That's
charging you
at
for
that
it.
point that would be me scamming my viewers, and I can't do that.
That's fine. But you're gonna pay for that.
Yeah, I told the video I'll give you like 10 bucks.
A tire? 20
No,
bucks?
nah, I'll give you 10
On
bucks.
top of the sensor? How'd it feel?
Pretty good.
Stock. Stock Q.
My Q will gap your shit though.
I got money, it won't.
Pretty sure it would.
I got money.
Respectfully, I'm sorry.
You can think whatever you'd like.
After seeing it rolling, bro, that shit looks fire. It
rather-
breaks my neck.
This broke my neck too. I'm
No, yeah, and it does look good. I told you guys before I drove it. The rear end of this car is actually perfect. I'm not a fan of clear tails, but these they're JDM, right? JDM tails. Yeah, it goes so good with the white carbon accents. And then this custom
I know,
quarter panel here.
yeah, Jay tried to sit on me.
No, I did some
You tried
donuts
to-
off camera, but then I smacked the wall.
Hold on, are you recording?
Yeah.
For the camera, I told this not to do any pulls or do anything stupid because I have no tires.
These are
And as you see in the video, this fucking idiot did pulls and he tried doing donuts on no tires.
I didn't know donut. Do I did circle? I wouldn't
Circle,
circles.
you motherfucker, you're wasting my tires.
should've
for no
just-
fucking.
I should've done
I'm
the donuts
charging.
on.
You know what? You know what? I'm just charging you. That's it.
How much?
Hmm?
20 bucks?
20 bucks a tire.
We started with 10, now we're going to 20.
I bumped it up. Bumped it up, baby.
Yeah, if you guys know him, he sells parts on Instagram and he's a scammer. So
No, just say I'm Taka. Say it. Just be. If you know him, he's the biggest Taka in the world. You gotta
he's the
say
biggest
it like
codo. And if you guys don't speak Spanish, that pretty much means he's the biggest cheapskate or cheapsteak, whatever however you say it.
that. Fuck it.
He's the biggest cheap guy ever. But seriously, I don't know, guys. I've been saying I'm gonna sell that car forever, but I just can't get around to it. Maybe there's time though.
He's not gonna sell it. He's a
If I don't sell it, I'll just buy one on top. What? Now you're calling me broke? You can't afford it?
Fits.
I don't have shoes. I have Crocs.
The Croc fits.
But yeah, guys, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and go home. I got like about an hour and a half of traffic to look forward to. But thank you, David, for the sensor and for the food. He actually bought my food for once in his life. If you guys enjoyed this video and if you guys like his car, like his build, his Instagram is right here. If you guys like this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can alert whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.